lines, line 1, line 2, line 3. It has the normally open circuit, which is the 96 and 97. Then we have the normally closed, which is 95 and 96. Now, following this particular device, it has a place where you can select the amperage at which you are controlling. As you can see, this is rated from 12 amps to 18 amps. So you can select what you want to control. Then it has a reset button. The reset button has you and helps you to reset it whenever there is a trip. Whenever it trips off, you have to reset it before you power the device again. I will be taking my time to give you the diagram, the functions, and how you can run it with your circuit constructions, especially in contactor control. It has multiple functions, and there are many ways you can equally use them to achieve those functions. Keep on watching as I bring it right into our designs before installation that can make the job to last very well. For instance, you have a design that you made that this project after the installation should serve like 5 years, but all of a sudden you discover that it doesn't even reach a year and people start complaining that this thing is burnt, this one is damaged, this one happens. Why? Because we are unable to deploy it in our design at the first place. So today I'm going to show you the things you're going to deploy into your design. Either as an electrical engineer, you deploy it into your design for the house wiring. Then as a solar installer, you deploy it into your design before you run your solar installation. That all of them will have this in order to protect your job and protect the appliances at which your system is going to serve. Here are the things I want you to understand. First, we have this protective device in many forms and the functions differently. One of them is what we call surge protective device, SPD. SPD is a surge protective device that we use in protecting the device from thunder strike. As you can see, this is exactly what is inside. From thunder strike, you use this to protect it from thunder strike, that whenever there is a strike of thunder, this should be able to absorb the strike and excess voltage and send them down to the mother earth. And that is why we have the way it functions. It is labeled the L, the N, and the F. This is the ground, this is the live, and this is the neutral. So it simply means that this can only serve effectively in the AC control device.